Good morning and welcome to Room 10's Assembly.
Please welcome Scarlett and Brendan to do the Acknowledgement of Country.
I would like to respectfully acknowledge that the Yamatji people who are the traditional owners and first people of the land on which we stand.
I'd like to pay my respect to the elders past, present and future, for they hold the memories, the traditions and the culture and hopes of the Yamatji people.
Thank you, Brendan and Scarlett. We have been practicing and performing poetry in Room 10 over the past fortnight. We learnt several poems off by heart and learnt how to use expression and emotion in our voice to bring our poems to life. We hope you enjoy it.
Learning, what a bore! Our school's been closed for a month or more. I'm stuck at home, I'm in my room, and meeting with my class on Zoom. There's no more lunchroom, no PE, just studying and tests for me. There's no more recess, there's no more ball, just staring at my bedroom wall. The playground's closed, the swings are slide, and everybody's stuck inside. We can't go out to play with friends. I hope that pretty soon this ends. I know it's only for a while, but here's a thought that makes me smile. Although it might sound so good, I just can't wait to go to school. I'm keeping my distance from people today. I'm trying to stay at least 6 feet away. I'm not shaking hands or giving high fives to try and make sure everybody survives. I'm wearing a face mask and gloves and a gown. I'm staying at home, I'm not out of town. I'm washing my hands every hour or two, 'cause I'm convinced it's the right thing to do. Since someone else kissed me on the cheek, it gave me the case of the koozies last week. You're not supposed to touch your face, but keep your hands some other place to keep yourself from catching a cold. At least that's what I'm often told. They say that you can touch your thigh, but never ever wipe your eye. You're fine to touch your knee or shin, but keep your fingers off your chin. Your fingertips can hold your lips, but shouldn't slip between your lips. Why, you can even rub your rear, but my hand should not go near your ear. There's just one problem I can see, though I'm allowed to touch my knee, my arms, my legs, my feet, my toes. I don't know how I'll pick my nose. Parents have cancelled our summer vacation. We won't take our road trip to travel the nation. We're staying at home for the total duration and will not be leaving the single location. They said that the name of the strange situation is something that's known as a family staycation. You might think that I would be feeling frustration or some other similar sorry sensation, but I'm feeling nothing but joy and elation and giving my parents a standing ovation. You see what this means by my calculation? I'll have the whole summer to play my PlayStation.
We hope that you enjoyed our short video. It was great fun to make. Please remember to subscribe to Wandina Primary School's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any future assemblies and videos. We now cross to Miss Miller, who will address our school community.
Hello everyone, we've had a great term so far, and thank you to all of our parents and families for your support with all of the changes happening and continuing to happen as part of COVID-19. It's fantastic to see our parents back in the school again, dropping their kids off to classrooms, and it's been great to say hello and have a chat in the mornings to you. We're going to be having a Year 6 parent meeting about camp, so we can talk about further information around camp and what that will look like. This will be held on Tuesday the 16th of June at 3 p.m. in rooms 7 and 8. So we'd like to see our Year 6 families there on Tuesday the 16th of June at 3 p.m. Just a reminder to all of our students, our school expectation for the last fortnight has been be responsible and look after our environment. We're still doing plastic-free Wednesdays, where we ask students to bring in their lunchbox with no plastic in it, so no plastic bags or cling wrap, and those students get to earn themselves a WOW award. So our Year 6s will be working on that and helping us reduce our carbon footprint. Thank you very much and have a fantastic fortnight.
Thank you, Miss Miller. Mr. O and Miss Ashworth will now read out the list of merit certificate winners.
Okay, it's great to be back at Wandina, and it's great to be able to announce the honour certificates for this week. In ECE 1 we have Maisie Steele, in ECE 2 Braxton Martin and Zierra Moir, in ECE 3 Argo Proposh and Michael Pass, Room 1 Adeline Mayhew and Kaya Gabby, Room 2 Alexander Pierce and Violet Kitching, Room 5 Mackenzie Darcy and Joel Anthony, in Room 6 Zoe Steineck and Oliver Monster, and in Room 14 Lydia O'Malley and Oscar Chappell.
Hi, welcome to the Middle and Upper Primary Merit Certificate winners. I'm here today in ECE 3, Miss Raymond's class, and I'm going to give the merit certificates out here. I'm going to read them out. So, from Room 3, Mr. Harrison, we have Miller Brown and Craig Jones. Yay! From Room 4, Regan Locke and Joshua Wilson. Yay! From Room 13, Harrison Ripper and Lila Butterfield. Yay! From Room 11, Machida Doley and Nathan Grant. Yay! Room 12, Sarah Elkatan and Lucas Cragen. Yay! Room 9, Alani Iaria and Samin Quarismi.
Yay!
Whose sister's that? Yeah. Room 10, Scarlett Tapper and Hanif Nasir.
Yay!
From Room 7, Oscar Jenkins and Albert Cox.
Yay!
And last but not least, from Room 8, Flynn Craig, Aidan Andrews, Ruby Gibson and Sophie Steenson.
Yay!
Thanks everybody for being such great helpers.
My brother.
Thank you, Mr. O and Miss Ashworth. Miss Ashworth will now announce our amazing readers.
Okay, it's the Reading Awards, and it's great to be back to be able to present these. First of all, in Year 2 we have Thomas Pardo with 40 nights, Chase Bonham in Year 2 with 40 nights, Alicia Hargraves with 40 and 80 nights, and Lydia O'Malley with 40 nights. In Year 4 we have Indy Andrews with 80 nights, Adam Dibble in Year 5 with 40 nights, and Tanaka Chikomo in Year 5 with 80 nights.
Could the faction captains please come forward to present their notices?
Nullenberry scored a total of 749 points.
And the Nullenberry Wildwood winner is Rowan Doyle from ECE 2.
Sikida scored 815 points. And the winner is Leo McNaught from Room 5. Paladin got 915 points. The winner of Paladin Award goes to Taylor Huggins from Room 11. Wandiri scored 915 points. And the winner is Declan Van Til from ECE 1. The Library Award goes to Room 3 for returning most of their books. Keep it up. The Physical Education Golden Boot Award goes to Room 4 for their amazing soccer skills and teamwork. The Art Award goes to Room 1 for producing vibrant paper plate weaving. And the Music Award goes to Room 14 for participating in all music activities with enthusiasm and enjoyment. Ram and Papalas Kalas Dua, Room 14 U2, Kamu Semua Besar Bernyanga Dangan Enola dalam Bahasa Indonesia. You all can sing beautifully in Indonesian.
Congratulations to our prize winners and winning classrooms. If your name was read out for a WOW Award or Reading Award, please come to the front office to collect your prize.
Please welcome the school choir to sing the school song.
We are happy Wandina Wonder Kids, as bright can be. We have a positive attitude, that's how we choose to be. Inspiring excellence together is our school motto. For we like to make your day, like being there in every way. We like to learn and play each day.
terrific audience, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future assemblies and videos.
Yeah.